Okay, so a couple quick notes on changing the measurements. This is the stuff from the book that we talked about earlier today. You set it up what you're trying to convert, hours to seconds. So 4 and 5/10 hours times 60 minutes per hour times 60 seconds per minute. Use your units to cancel out. 4 and 5/10 times 60 times 60, 16,200. So a couple of other examples that we did today. 5 pints, we're going to convert pints to fluid ounces, so 5 pints, 2 cups in 1 pint. There are 8 ounces in each cup. Remember, we get that from our conversion factors. We multiply it with pints, cancel with pints, cups cancels with cups. 5 times 2 times 8, 5 times 2 is 10, times 8 is 80. So 80 ounces. 8/10 of a mile, 5,280 feet in 1 mile, and there are 12 inches in each foot. Feet cancel with feet, miles cancels with miles. We're left with inches. So 5,280 times 8/10, 864, 16 and 6 is 22, 40 and 2, 42. There's one decimal place in the problem, so there's 1 in the answer. Then we multiply 4,224 times 12. As far as 844804224, 8, 8, 6, 10, 5, 50,688 inches in 8/10 of a mile. Again, this one should have been 3 instead of 4. 4 yards, 3 yards in 1 foot, 12 inches in 1 foot, or 3 feet in 1 yard, 12 inches in 1 foot. Feet cancel, yards cancel, we're left with inches. 4 times 3 is 12, times 12 is 144 inches in 4 yards. Bushels to pints. The 4 pecks in a bushel, 8 quarts in a peck. There are 2 pints in each quart. Quarts out, pecks cancel out, bushels cancel out. So 12 times 4 times 8 times 2. So 12 times 4, 48, times 8, 384, times 2, 764 pints. That's using a conversion factor. The other way that we did conversions is using a proportion. Okay, so a proportion, let me use a piece of scratch paper for these. Okay, 4 cups to ounces. We're going to do cups to ounces. We know that 1 cup is 8 ounces. So 4 cups is going to be how many ounces? Solve as a proportion. 1 times 4 is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So X is 32 ounces. So 32 fluid ounces. Liters to milliliters. We know that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. That's on your reference materials guide. So 5 liters, 1 times 5 is 5. 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 milliliters. We do centimeters to meters. We know that 300, or rephrase that, not 300. If we have 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So we want to know how many meters there are in 3 centimeters. Okay, we're going to have to think of this one a little bit differently. Okay, well, I don't know what I'm doing to go from 100 to 3, but I do know if it's 100 centimeters in 1 meter, then each centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. Now, I know I'm going to multiply by 3. 1/100th times 3 is 3/100ths. 3/100ths of a meter. Do the same thing. We're talking about yards. 24 feet. We know that 1 yard is 3 feet. How many yards for 24 feet? We're multiplying times 8, so it's 8, so y equals 8 yards. Set it up as a proportion. Your conversion ratio is always one of the two fractions.